Hi everyone, Alex here, MRC, and look what I have out today. The Osprey. It's been a while since I've flown this thing, but it's out again. Pretty nice day. Let's take it for a flight. Okay, everything works. Let's get this baby in the air. I'm gonna try a scale-ish takeoff. Ooh, not into the pole. Ooh, got a bit of wind. Let's try it about this direction. Let's get it higher a bit. And forward flight. It's been so long. Maybe I should get it lower. And this thing is fast. Oh my god. Forgot how fast it is. Have a 4-minute timer, so come on, turn. It's in this sort of safe mode. They don't call it safe, but it's like safe. It's the only way I fly it. It's safer than the acro mode. Let's try to pass this way. Hope you guys can see it. Doing my best here. My friends from the shooting range providing audio background. But this is my search and rescue plane. As you can tell by the colors. Full speed into the corners. Those tiny wings don't give it a lot of lift. I call it brickwood wings. And tiny stubby wings for that matter. See if I can bring it lower. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, this gets the heart pumping, I'll tell you. I'm even afraid to look down at the timer. That's why I painted it like this, so. Okay, 1 minute. Let's transition to vertical flight. And bring her back home. Wait for the car to pass. Turn it around. Okay, another car coming. Good, that was nice. Whew. 22 seconds on the timer. Man, this thing was fun. Really gets the heart pumping. Whew. Let me know what you think, guys. Would you like to see it more of on the channel? I could use the practice flying fast. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's do a transition for the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.